Working with MS Word 2010. Uses of Microsoft Office Word 2010. Word processing software is used to create and edit text document, format document, type letters, do homework assignments like writing essay or article. Starting MS Office Word 2010. We can open MS Office Word 2010 through any of these ways. Press the Windows button on the keyboard. Type Word 2010 in the search box. Press Enter key. Alternatively, click Start button. All programs. Microsoft Office. Microsoft Word 2010. Parts of Word window. When we open MS Office Word 2010 using any of the two methods, we get a window. Let's discuss different parts of MS Office Word 2010 window. Title bar. The long horizontal bar at the top of the Word window is called the title bar. A title bar has three parts. Quick Access Toolbar. It has options to perform some actions quickly, like saving, undo, etc. Document name. All files in a computer must have an individual name. When we open Word, the first document is given the name Document 1 by default. The file name is displayed at the center of the title bar. Window buttons. At the rightmost end of the bar, there are three buttons: Minimize, Maximize, and Close. Minimize button folds the window and shows it only on the taskbar. Maximize button changes the window size to monitor size. Close button closes the document. Ribbon. A horizontal bar below the title bar which has options to do different tasks like saving a document, inserting pictures, formatting, etc. is called ribbon. Tabs. The ribbon is organized into tabs. Each tab has options for doing similar functions. Word ribbon has 8 tabs: File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, References, Mailings, Review, and View. When we open Word, Home tab is open by default. Groups. The options on a tab are again divided into groups, where each group has different options related to same task. For example, Home tab has Font, Clipboard, Paragraph, etc. groups. The Font group will have options for changing document fonts in different ways. Writing area. The big white area where we write to create the documents is called the writing area. Status bar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the window which gives information about the document like number of pages, word count, etc. is called status bar.